Apple CEO Tim Cook at yesterday's virtual event revealing the iPhone 12. All four of the company's new models support faster 5G networks, but is that enough to entice consumers to shell out $1,000 or more for some models? Joining us now is Tim Long, Senior Research Analyst at Barclays, and we've asked that question 3-4 times already this morning, Tim, about whether that's enough. And I think we've got a firm maybe. Maybe for some, maybe not for others. Where are you? Should I run out and get one now if I can scrape up $1,100?
Well, we've been a little bit, thanks for having me. We've been a little bit more skeptical on the iPhone side for the last few years here. It's been a time since they've had a real hit. Remember, the 10 was supposed to be a super cycle as well. We didn't really see it. So we've seen a lot of changes as far as customers' willingness to pay really since that iPhone 10. So there's been a lot more mixing down. And of course, now really the new feature here is 5G. And it's really, when we have a new technology, we struggle with, is it worth the cost? Are there applications? What's it going to do to my battery? What does the coverage look like? So we do think, the key benefit for them, and you've probably heard this from some of the other analysts, is that the installed base is very old. So we are due for an upgrade cycle. It's been several years, as I said, since we've had one.
So just getting down to brass tacks, is the stock fairly priced here? Is it were the ecosystem and the services that we think of with Apple, is that enough to support where it is right now? If that's a sort of a medium warm super cycle, whatever you want to call it?
Yeah, we do struggle a little bit with the valuation. Our target is showing some downside. I mean, we technically have seen a little bit of a disconnect between what's gone on with actual fundamentals and the valuation. I know everyone is very positive on services and wearables and these new iPhones, but in reality, the last 3 years, 80% of earnings growth has come from tax rate and buyback. So we really haven't seen fundamental strength at the company. But like I said, this is a new cycle, and we'll see how it plays out. There is an opportunity here to upsell a lot because, as I said, it's been 5 years. We're still 20% below iPhone unit peak of 5 years ago. So it's been a while, a long time coming. So there's definitely scope for the upgrades here. But we think it's still, given how much the valuation has moved and the fundamentals really haven't, we struggle a little bit with the stock price here.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.